1, 2, 3. That doesn't even hurt your arms, does it?
Oh, that feels like I'm doing that.
Yeah. Ooh, shake it off, shake it off.
A little advice.
What does it mean to be healthy?
It means that you exercise a lot. You don't have red bumps on your face.
So if you have pimples, you're not healthy.
That just means you eat a lot of sugar.
Do you eat sugar too?
Yes, but not often.
That's really healthy of you. I eat a lot of sugar. I'm addicted to sugar.
I mostly eat broccoli over sugar.
What does it mean to be healthy?
You have to eat like carrots and vegetables and fruits. Maybe once a month or once a week you can eat like 2 or 3 candies.
Are you a healthy eater?
Not really.
No? Me neither. I eat junk. I love junk food.
Sometimes if you have junk food too much, it gets addicted.
I'm addicted.
So Noah, what you have to do is have to go home, have a couple carrots, and get addicted to that. That's the stuff you should get addicted to.
What about exercising?
I go about 2 or 3 miles a day.
What? On what? On your bike?
Walking, running, skipping.
That's more than all of America. What exercise would you write for me?
Do you have a backyard?
No.
Do you have a pool?
No.
Do you have an animal?
No. What do you do to stay healthy?
I basically just go run around my school.
Why don't adults play tag and stuff?
Because they think they're too mature for it, but they know inside their hearts that they're just as young as us.
What does that mean?
Their spirits are younger than our spirits, but they're taller than us.
I can see that. I can see that. How can you tell if someone's healthy or not healthy?
Sometimes I judge if you're healthy or not healthy. That you're mad about yourself and you're not healthy. And if you're happy and just living life and you're happy about, what shape you're in and stuff, that means you're in good health.
Good health is good mental health. What types of things should I do to exercise?
I would think you would be good running.
I am. So I should run.